Hey, my name's Erica, and if you don't know me, I'm Sweetbriar alum. I was the first trans woman to attend Sweetbriar back in 2020. I've posted a lot of videos about my experiences there, etc. And currently, we're in a fight to try and promote inclusivity and diversity on campus because the administration and board of directors have decided that non-binary and trans female students, including trans male, do not belong at Sweetbriar. I am helping run a group right now of over 600 members that believe that that's wrong. We have over 50 some faculty out of, so 52, I believe, faculty have voted that trans people and non-binary people belong at Sweetbriar. 4 voted against that. So we're looking at 90-some percent. Every student group on campus has put support out. There is currently a group of 40-ish alums and parents that are supporting this policy and believe that Sweetbriar should be for cisgender females only. I'm going to take a moment to tell you whether you are a student, a faculty, a staff member, a alum, a parent of an alum. We will not give up, and we will not stop fighting. In World War II, the 101st Airborne were surrounded by Germans in Bastogne. They were told to give up. You're surrounded. You'll only meet your doom. Their reply was nuts. And shortly thereafter, the American and British armed forces, including the armored units in Patton, joined up with the 101st and pushed Germany back into their lines and ended the war. So, to my students and faculty and staff that are the 101st Airborne at Sweetbriar, nuts. Don't give up. Don't give in. Keep fighting. Because we're coming. We've got your back, and we're working on it. Keep the faith and hold the line. Your sisters and brothers and alums have your back.